What's up, beautiful subscribers? It's the first week of June here, zone 7A, southeastern Pennsylvania. And today we're going to be talking about pruning. Contrary to the internet, I do a lot of pruning in the summer. Not big cuts. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. But I do lots of pruning on my trees throughout the summertime. You can see they put on a lot of growth right now. And mostly I'm trying to increase the airflow, get more sunlight down to the fruit, and manage the weight load. So, for example, you can tell there's just so many branches in here on this young contender peach tree. It's too much. If I had peaches, which I don't, thanks to the late frost, you would never be able to grow a good peach in here because it's too many branches. So instead of getting in here and cutting out all the little ones on each side, it's best to just bite the bullet and have fewer big branches. So I'll show you a little example. We're looking for airflow. We're looking for spacing. We're looking for weight load. If these had peaches on them, this thing would be loaded down here, and it's not needed. I'll get in here, clean up all the branches on the inside. Even still, I mean, there's so many cuts that need to be made in here. And as you can see, it's a lot of work. So on a branch like this, right? Look at all these individual branches. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. It's crazy, right? Each one of those is gonna wanna grow peaches on them. You could sit there individually and take every other one out like this, but it becomes an insane amount of work. Like if you only have one peach tree at your house, maybe you could do something like that. You see the difference? You're never gonna be able to grow peaches on every single branch. There's not enough sunlight and there's not enough room. So that looks a little bit better. But if you have tons of peach trees like I do, you just want to get in there and take out a whole middle branch. Like that's the difference. I'm trying to sit there and methodically take out. So here it starts to get real crowded and messy, like a ton of branches. I'll just go right where it starts to get messy and take the head out of it like that. And then after a while, you'll start to get some more sunlight down in there. I like to prune my peaches in an open center or an open vase. So that means everything down here in the middle we're gonna try and take out. There's lots of branches in here, everything growing back into the center. We're gonna take off. Now, if we had peaches, this would be a little bit harder because I would be trying to avoid certain peaches after I thin the trees, but we don't have any, so it's a little bit easier. Spacing, airflow, weight management are all things that we want to take into consideration here. You can just tell by looking at this tree, like up here in this corner, it's just so many branches. And I've done this before, like I've already taken out every other branch, but I could just already tell from growing peaches for so many years that it's still too many branches. You're just never gonna grow good peaches on that many. So you can start taking out every other branch, something like that. And yes, branches grow on peaches grow on 2-year-old wood. So you can see this is older wood. You're not gonna grow any peaches on that. All this new growth from this year will have peaches on it next year. You have to kind of take that into consideration, but for peaches, it doesn't matter too much. You're gonna get lots of flowers regardless. So don't be afraid to prune your trees in the summer. The more sunlight you get down onto that fruit, the better it's gonna ripen all the way around. I'm sure you guys seen it where the tops of the peach are ripe, but the sides or the bottom aren't, and that's just not getting enough sunlight. Some varieties you gotta be careful because you can scald the fruit itself if it's too much direct sunlight, but I have other trees around here, so it's not a big deal. So don't be afraid. Prune your trees heavily in the summertime. Suckers all the growth in the inside there, and you ultimately are gonna get better fruit. Hit that like button.